I think that's our cue. That's my cue.
We got 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. How's she feel? She got size? I'll grab the line. Dude!
Yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Fucking first cast!
Was that the first
That
cast?
was literally first cast.
Oh man.
Straight up.
Oh yeah. Oh dude.
Let's go. Got one. Oh, dude, it's a nice big cutty.
Look at that.
I'm on again. Okay? Yeah. Dude, this is another good one. But these cutties got that, you see the deep red on the cheek right there?
Yeah. I think that's a coconut.
Big ones. Got one. Yeah. This one's a little bit smaller. Could be a cut boat, I'm not really sure. Easy to forget. I can't tell you how many times I've done it.
Oh, fish on.
Let's go.
The fire tiger's on.
It's a tiny fish. In here.
The freshies.
That was quick.
Yeah, it was fucking red.
Rainbow.
Good boy. Zing, see ya.
Nice. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. Lost it right here. That was a fucking big one.
It sounded big.
Dude,
It feels real good.
they got one too.
It feels real good.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get in there. Make sure we get this thing. You excited, Ella?
I'm fucking. Oh, you weren't. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, boy. That's a big one. Swinger. Use your rod tip and swinger this way. Got her. Let's fucking go. That's a fatty, dude.
Whole time it felt so good.
Dude, what a fish. That is a beautiful
What do you
fish.
think, Ella?
She said it's muy bella. I'm on. Oh, yes. Wow.
VUT.
A little bit smaller. Second
One.
Get this one on camera. Let's see it right here.
Where are you? Oh shit. Nice. Cut bow.
Cut bow.